Welcome back to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy grilled fish with avocados on the Weber kettle. Now everything in this video happens really fast, so we're actually going to start today by starting the fire. I'll start by getting a full Weber chimney starter started. And while the fire gets going, I'll go ahead and set up my Weber kettle. One thing that you can do to help keep your fish from sticking is clean off your grill. I'll just get my grill cleaned off by using the CitraSafe grill cleaning kit. We'll let that sit a minute and then use the scrub brush to scrub off the grill. And then finally, once we've scrubbed off the grill, we'll just wipe any excess debris right off the grill. And now it's time to season our fish. Today I'm going to be using the Savory Spice California Citrus Rub. Now one thing I like about this citrus rub is that it is salt free, so you get to control the amount of salt on your dish. This rub does have some moderate heat to it. It's peppery, very citrusy, it's got a lot of garlic and also a ton of herb notes all in this rub. I like to oil my fish before I grill it, so I'll use some olive oil and spray the fish down, and then I'll get it seasoned. And in this shot you can really see all of the ingredients to this rub. Now you will have to add your own salt, so I'll get that salted, and when you're done you should have something that looks like this. And now our fire is ready to go. That's why we did that first. We'll get our lit charcoal right into the slow and sear. I'll just spread the charcoal around for a nice even layer of heat. I'm not going for a super hot heat for the first part of this cook. I'll have the top vent open by about 2/3 and the bottom vent, I'll close that by half. And we're just gonna let that preheat everything for about 5 minutes. And now we're ready to grill. Another thing you can do to keep your fish from sticking is by oiling your grates. So I'll just use a little canola oil to oil the grates. Now I will get the fish seasoned side down on the cool side of the grill. And we still have to season the other side. So I'll spray that with oil and then use the Savory Spice California Citrus Rub to season the fish. And of course, we'll add a little salt to this side as well. And we're just gonna leave the vents right where they were. Now, while the fish is cooking in the grill, let's prepare our avocado. This is my standard way of typically preparing avocado. I'll just use a spoon and scrape the flesh of the avocado right out of one of the halves. Just kind of cut it diagonally all the way down the avocado. And then I'll just fan it out a little bit to have more of the surface area exposed. Next, I'll squeeze a little lime juice on the avocado and season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of freshly ground pepper. And then right over the top of that, we're going to go back to the California Citrus Rub and just sprinkle a little bit of that right over the top of the avocado. And our avocado is done, and it looks good enough to eat it just like that. Now let's get back to the fish. I'll spray the hot side of the grill with a little bit of canola oil, and that's going to help us keep the fish from sticking while it's over the direct heat. I'll get both fillets moved over, and today I feel kind of like a little crossing pattern. So I'll give it a minute. Once a minute is up, I'll turn it 45 degrees, give it another minute. Then I'll flip the fish, give it about a minute, turn it another 45 degrees, give it another minute. And really that's all it takes to get some nice color on grilled fish. Now we're going for an internal temperature of about 140, 145 degrees. So we're not quite there yet. I'm gonna get the fish back on the indirect side of the grill and give this literally about another minute. Now that our fish is done, we're gonna get this onto the cutting board so we can taste a little bit of our hard work. And take a look at this. Such an easy, delicious, light dinner or lunch. It's amazing. Give that a quick taste, and yeah, that is some good fish. And I also remembered that I had a little bit of salsa verde in the refrigerator. So I went and got that, put some on, and that's good too. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, y'all.